Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining these beautiful ladies on an open collaboration. We have Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest, Donna from Creative by Nature, Jelena from the BlondieNextDoor, Julia from the MomDas Life DIY, Sonja from Domestic Diva 76, Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, and Daysi from Daysi DIYs. Those are the beautiful ladies I'm joining. I'm joining them on the Boho Modern Farmhouse collaboration, and I'm so excited because I love boho and I love modern farmhouse. And today we're gonna make two beautiful projects on the boho modern farmhouse style. Now let's get started. These are our supplies for our first DIY. First, we're going to take our sign and we're going to use our chalk paint that won't show over here, but that's white. And we're going to take our white and we're going to give it a really nice coat to our old sign. That was a cupcake sign I had in my kitchen, but I'm not using it anymore, so I want to flip it and make something beautiful out of it. After we finish, we're going to let it dry. We're going to attach those letters. And I'm gonna try something that it's not gonna work, so laugh with me. For me trying something that won't work. I try to put them there to attach them to my sign, and as you would see really soon, that doesn't work. But after that, I'm gonna attach them to my sign. See, it didn't work. Now I add them, and with my antique wax, I'm gonna paint over them. Yes, over the letters, because the antique wax takes a long time to dry, so I don't want to wait that long, so I'm gonna paint over the letters, and that will be it. You don't have to wait to install your letters. I'm gonna paint all over, as you see here, and I'm just painting to the same side. As you can see, I'm painting horizontally everything. I'm just brushing a lot of paint or antique wax on my letters, and then after that I'm going all the way horizontally. And when we finish, we let it dry so we can continue. And it's not gonna be completely dry. When we start like distressing with a paper towel, you have to let it dry a little bit, but not completely. And then you wipe away your antique wax from your letters and also a little bit from the sign, so it looks really distressed and beautiful. And that's how it's looking. Now I'm gonna add some beads, some of the square beads from Walmart, and I'm gonna glue one on each color, like that, on the bottom, so I can hang my hats and my things. And now I'm gonna give it a good, beautiful hanger of beads, and I'm gonna use the round beads from that same package, and I'm gonna make a pattern using one of each color. And now that I have it completely, I'm gonna add a bit of hot glue there and attach my hanger, and a bit of hot glue over there and attach my hanger, and that's it. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have it right here. It's beautiful. Dream like nothing is in your way. I love that. And I love how this turned out. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let me give you a better look of the sign. There it is. For our second DIY, these are the supplies we're gonna need. For our raffia feather, we're gonna take the raffia bundle from Walmart, and we're gonna take it out of the package, and we're gonna unwrap it like that, and we're gonna take 2 strings of raffia, just like that. make a loop and loop the two ends through it, like that, and add a bead of hot glue on the bottom. Let me show you again. You take 2 strings, make a loop, and loop your ends through that loop. And I made it the wrong way, so I'm gonna repeat that. Make the loop, pull your strings, and that's it. And add a bead of hot glue in between them. Repeat all around. And now I'm adding my last string, like that. Loop it through, just pull the strings, add a bead of hot glue in between them, and that's it. Repeat on your other skewer. And now I'm just trimming the excess of my raffia. And to glue them together, I'm gonna add the popsicle stick and add lots of hot glue to that popsicle stick and glue them together. Just like that. Then we're gonna start wrapping the 2 pointy parts on the bottom with a piece of raffia and a bit of hot glue. Add hot glue every now and then until you have everything wrapped in that raffia. And now, moving on to the top part, we're going to make a handle with a bunch of raffia. We're going to tie it together like that, add a bead of hot glue over there, and tie it together using a piece of raffia, like that. And then to finish it, make it look a little bit more polished, we're going to start wrapping around it. Wrapping around our handle, a bead of raffia, a piece of raffia, just like that, to make it look like the hand fans that I love. We're gonna make it look like that, and now I'm gonna take another piece of raffia from the bottom and continue wrapping until I finish. Then when we finish and glue it, we're gonna cut the excess raffia that we have all around it. And now we're gonna take our feather, cut the excess raffia, and glue our handle to our feather. After that, we're gonna give it a good trim so it looks like a feather. And after the trim, we're gonna add a bit of twine to the handle to make it a little bit more finished. Now I'm adding that twine, and that's it. And this is how the feather turned out. As you can see, look at that. That center looks beautiful, and the top, it looks like a hand fan. I love it because it looks like a feather and a hand fan. Look at that. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Let me give you a better look. There it is. This is how they turned out and how they look together. I put them together for you so you can see them. I love them. And here is our feather slash hand fan. And over here we have a beautiful sign. I love that quote. And this is how they look. Let me give you a better look of that feather. That's how it's looking. I just want to remind you that in the description box down below, you're going to find a link to the playlist and also to everyone that's joining for this wonderful collaboration. I'm loving what I created for this. Go and check that playlist and check their channels and let them know that I sent you and that I say hi. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.